Hello everybody, today we'll deal about a very beautiful topic that is known as finding area without integration. So in this topic, we'll learn about how we can find the area without integration. Of course, whenever we are finding the area, we'll take the help of integration. But some beautiful questions here I will discuss today. And in that questions, we'll see how we can find the area without help of integration. For example, we know if I will draw the graph of y is equal to sine x, and if I want to find the area in between 0 to pi, for example, so what actually I am doing, this is a graph of y is equal to sine x. And if I want to find the area, means this area, if I want to find it, so if you remember what actually you are doing, 0 to pi sine x dx. And the answer, if you will find it, you will get 2 square unit, correct? This basic things you already know. Sin x integration should be minus cos x, and if you will put upper limit pi and lower limit is 0, you will get plus 2 square unit. Okay, with the help of this result, let's find the area of y is equal to sin x and y is equal to sin raised to power 4x, where x is belonging to 0 to 2 pi. So what actually I will do, first of all, I will draw the graph of y is equal to sin x here. So let's try to draw the graph of y is equal to sin x. See here, this is the graph, whatever the graph I am drawing here, it is the graph of y is equal to sin x. This is 0 and pi, and this is 2 pi. You know maximum value of sin x is plus 1 and minimum value of sin x is minus 1. All of you know. Okay. After that, I know whenever the graph is lying, the value of the graph is lying between 0 to 1, and if I will take the power 4, so obviously value should be lesser. Like as 1 by 2 raised to power 4, it should be 1 by 60. So what I can say, if I will draw the graph of sine raised to power 4x, so sine raised to power 4x value should be, I can say, at x is equal to pi by 2, of course, we can say value should be 1 only, but at x is equal to 3 pi by 2 also, I can say value should be plus 1, because minus 1 raised to power 4, I can say it should be plus 1. So if I will draw the graph of sine raised to power 4x, so I will get this shape of graph, little bit this shape. Okay, this is the graph of sine raised to power 4x, correct? And same graph, same type of graph, it will be get it. This will be the graph. So I want to find the area. Area means which part actually I want to find out. I want to find this area, this shaded region, as well as this shaded region, correct? So if I want to find this area, how we can find it? First of all, you will think about integration, and of course, using integration also you can find it. But in that case, it will be little bit tougher questions, because upper curve minus lower curve, if you put 0 to pi, so yes, in that case, you will get little bit difficult. So what I am doing here, I am taking this strip here, uh, whatever the strip is, this strip you can see, and this strip, and I want to put it here. So if I will put this strip here, okay, of course, this area is nothing. I can say whatever the area we are finding. So total area is sine x area, sine x area pi to 2 pi. And sine x area, if I will find pi to 2 pi, so it will be 2 square unit, 2 square unit upper part and 2 square unit lower part. So total area, if I want to find out total area, so total area should be almost 2 plus 2, that is 4 square unit. So you can see the beauty of this question. Okay. So what I did in this question, just I did cut and paste, and finally I will get my answer. So really it's a very beautiful questions. Okay. Let's try to solve next question, that is question number 2. Question number 2 is also a very nice question. If I will talk about question number 2, my question is, find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to square root of 1 minus x square and y is equal to xq minus x. First of all, let's draw the graph of y is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. If I will draw the graph of y is equal to 1 minus x square, how we can draw? Just simply you can square it on both sides. Y square is equal to 1 minus x square. That means x square plus y square, I am getting 1. But do you think it will represent a circle? But which part of circle I have to take? I have to take actually upper part of the circles. We can't take lower part of the circles. Why? Because it is given as y is equal to a square root of 1 minus x square. So of course, it will be actually a full circle. It will not give because of y is equal to a square root of 1 minus x square is there. So it will give you only lower part of upper part of the circle. Sorry, it will give you only upper part of the circle. Okay. This value is 0, this value is minus 1, and this value is plus 1. If I will draw the graph of y is equal to xq minus x, how we can draw the graph? Very, very simple. You can just take it x square minus 1. If I will factor it, I will get y is equal to x into x minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay. You can see here by Weber curve method also we can see this is minus 1, this is 0, and this is plus 1. After that plus 1, you can say positive, negative, positive, negative. So greater than plus 1, if I will see the value, it will give you positive value, and 0 to 1, it will give you negative value, and minus 1 to 0, positive value. Means graph should become actually this shape. This one as well as this one. After that, it should be positive and it should be negative. Okay. So I have to find the area bounded by the curve. Means this area I have to find it. Okay. Yes. So if I will see this area, what I can say, you can just check it this region. Okay. This region 0 to 1 region. If I will just do cut and paste, and if I will put it here, so I will get a shaded region. That region is semicircle. Okay. That region is obviously semicircle, and you know area of semicircle. What should be the area of semicircle? If I will find the area of semicircle, so it is pi r square divided by 2. Here r value is given as 1. So obviously, if I will find the area for this question, so what should be the area? Pi into 1 square divided by 2. That means pi by 2 square unit. Okay. So I hope this type of questions is really very, very interesting, and you people are not facing any difficulty to solve these questions. Let's try to solve one more questions. Okay. This question is given actually. Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to root x, x is equal to minus of root y, and x square plus y square is equal to 2 above the x-axis. Okay. So how we can solve this question? Let's see. First of all, I have to draw all these three curves. If I will draw all these three curves, y is equal to root x. You already know the graph of y is equal to root x. This is y is equal to root x graph. Okay, so this is y is equal to root x. X is equal to minus root y. Obviously, this is the parabola, but only half part of the parabola will take it. So if I will draw x is equal to minus root y graph, I can draw this is the graph of x is equal to minus root y. Okay, this is the graph of x is equal to minus root y. Obviously, both are symmetrical curve. Okay, looking wise may or may not be symmetrical, but yes, it will be symmetrical curve. Next, I have to draw the graph of x square plus y square. It is equal to 2. So this is the graph of x square plus y square. It is equal to 2. Obviously, it will give you a circle. Okay, circle having center 0, 0, and radius. If I will talk about radius, so radius should be root 2. So in this question, they are asking find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to root x, x is equal to minus root y, and x square plus y square is equal to 2 above the x-axis. Means if I will put the area, set the area, so this shaded region they are asking. Okay, they are asking find the area of this shaded region. Correct? No? Yeah. So look at this shaded region, and you can conclude it what actually you can conclude it. If I will see this shaded region, so I can say here, this region, this area, this shaded area, I can put it here. Okay, I can put it here actually. Correct. Because this is symmetrical curve. So obviously, according to symmetry, I can say this shaded area, I can put it here. And of course, our area, I will get it this area. So overall required area, if I will find it, so required area should be, I can say, I will get this area. Okay, 1/4 area of circle. So yes, of course, for this question, if I will find the required area, so required area should be how much? 1/4 area of circle. Correct? Yes. Area of circle, you know, x square plus y square is given as 2. So radius should be how much? Radius should be √2. So I can say 1/4 pi r square, that is √2 square. √2 square is how much? 2. So pi into 2 by 4, that is pi/2 square unit. So it is also very simple and interesting question. Of course, if I will try to find the concept of definite integration, obviously it will take more time. Upper curve minus